To inspect or replace the drive belt on your RZR XP Turbo, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Loosen the PVT duct clamp on the outer PVT cover. Remove the PVT intake duct from the cover and move it out of the way. Loosen the 9 outer clutch cover fasteners. Carefully maneuver the clutch cover out of the vehicle. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Insert the clutch spreader tool from the vehicle toolkit into the threaded hole of the driven clutch and turn clockwise to spread the clutch. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if necessary. Clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Remove the driven clutch spreader tool. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt. Carefully reinstall the clutch cover, ensuring the cover seal is fully seated. Install the 9 clutch cover fasteners and torque to specification. Reinstall the PVT duct and torque the hose clamp to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.